Like the mythical phoenix rising out of the ashes, Garissa University College, which suffered one of the worst terror attacks in recent times, is back on its feet.
"147 people killed and dozens injured when heavily armed gunmen from Al-Shabaab stormed Garissa University."
The killers tried to separate Christians from Muslims, but Muslims too are among the dead.
He had some gunshot and they were sleeping, so it was around 5.
9 months later, the university is open again, and Kenya's Deputy President William Ruto said Garissa University College is integral to the country's educational development.
According to officials here in Garissa, it was never a question of if, but when they would reopen the gates for fresh learning.
The opening of Garissa University signifies that we're winning the war against terror, that we're defeating the terrorists. Again, we're showing it's a sign that as a country, Kenya, we are resilient, we can overcome any challenge.